On today's programme, Joe Elliott, the lead singer with Def Leppard, with their back catalogue and the big Hysteria tour they're doing. There's Brian Connolly, legendary entertainer, who's also on tour. He's on Channel 4 later on today with a new series called Buy It Now. It's an inventor's show. There's Tim Smith, Bobby Pryor, Catherine Kay, Matt the Sports Guy, and the oldies chosen by Karen Matthews in Herne Bay in Kent. Emails, texts and tweets, social media, news from the net, showbiz, all here, even on a Monday.
YouTube, it's Satch. Welcome to Driver 81. This is my 997. It's Friday afternoon. Let's do business. Alright, I've had the car for coming up to a year now, and when I bought the car it had black HRE 20-inch alloys on, which do look great. A lot of people say keep the black alloys. However, I've always been a fan of alloy colour alloys on a car. It doesn't matter what car it is or what colour it is. I've always liked the alloy colour wheels. So I've been searching for a set of 997.1 GT3 alloys probably since I bought the car, and they are as rare as rock and roll. So I've finally seen a set come up for sale, albeit they were a little beat up, so they do need a refurbishment. I made a 500-mile round trip to go and pick them up, collect them, and now I've finally got them on the car. What I have had to do is put on a set of 20mm spacers. The wheels themselves, they actually sit a little bit in the rear arches, so 20mm rear spacers I've put on, and it just means that the rear wheel sits flush, if not a few millimeters, probably about 3mm outside of the actual rear arch there. So it really gives the wide body look, even though it is a wide body, a really sort of aggressive wide body look. Take a look at them and see what you think. Love the clean look of the alloys now. It really sort of brightens up the car. And what I've also done to complement the fact that the wheels are now lighter, I've removed the rear film from the rear lights. For now though, I'm happy with the car, the way the car looks. I do have one more modification up my sleeve, but I'm going to leave that to a completely different video. Please put a comment in the box below whether you like them or you think I should have stayed with the black alloys. Incidentally, I've still got the black alloys, so I can always revert back to them if I want to. One thing to note though is the black alloys, they were 20-inch. The GT3s, they are 19-inch. So there's an inch difference between them. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like. 26,000 subscribers, thank you very much. Please click on the like button, and I'm also trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. So if you can help me with that in any way, just by clicking that subscribe button, it takes 1 second to do it. I will love you forever. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.